Well, hey guys, and welcome to another episode on our Birnie Family YouTube and Facebook. And I'm actually up here at Emily's horse racing field at the minute, and you might be able to hear, I'm not sure you are, but the wind is wild. I mean, really wild today. And it's getting a bit of wind, it's getting a bit of rain as well, I should say, so this isn't going to be all that enjoyable. But I'm just about there putting on the roof on Emily's stables, and I'll show you in just a minute. And then I can get cracking with the other half of doing the caravan. I did promise David he'd come around a bit later. It's my son David, so he could smash a few things as they do, you know. But hopefully you'll really enjoy. If you're watching this for the first time, I'm doing a caravan to trailer conversion because we need hay bales for Emily's future horses. And big trailers just now are really expensive, so I thought we'd just go for the cheaper option. Bit of work, but certainly worth it. As always guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit notifications, that would be awesome, and just really hope you enjoy the video. Well, I was just about to step outside and the rain's just started piling down. Hopefully, as you can see, so there's the caravan. Yeah, so hopefully you can see even just from here, look, we've got one half of the roof on, and the next half of the roof should be pretty much a piece of cake as well actually. And then we've got to felt it. We've also got wood strips to go down, you know, the centres of these here. That's two doors there. And the two in the middle there are the split doors that will open up, you know. So once this thing's painted, I know it looks like a bit of a shop just now, but once it's painted it'll look really good. And again, all the wood we've used up to this point, which is about there, is scrap wood. But of course with the roof it's a little bit different, you know. But we've still done it in such a way that's pretty cost effective. And we'll have to brave the caravan soon. It's still got its old toilet in it, oh man. With like 4-year-old pee in it, so wonderful. That'll be a nice wee job. But we're almost there. We're getting there. So David is looking forward to smashing this thing to bits, but we're thinking, aren't we, son, we'll keep the windows.
Yeah, like this one in case we ever do buy a van.
Do a van conversion, yeah. I mean, look at them. These are really good, just very normal. I've never taken them off before, but I'm assuming it's quite straightforward, I would think. We'll soon find out, won't we? You sure you don't want a hammer? Aye, but first, guys, I have got to face the music.
No.
Look. Oh my goodness, that's disgusting.
Look. It's a wire.
Yeah. So I've got my rubber gloves.
Oh, it actually does work.
I've got a bandana for my face, and I've got my antibacterial wipes just right, guys, so just remove this here, and I think what I'm going to do is transport it over to that hole and pour the stuff out. So here we go. It's not good. It's not good. That's not good. Right, let's see. Now I have to separate. There he goes. We'll keep the back ones. So there we go.
That's fun.
So there's no point in tidying up any of this yet, because we're just about to rip this all apart now. That's how you get your frustrations out. There.
Take a look out this window. Look at all the pieces.
And then we can try and figure out how they actually come up. Oh, now I wonder, are these... They look like they're riveted or something stupid like that. We'll figure it out. So yeah, look, we'll get all this wiring out as well. Look, it's all really good wiring.
If you guys have ever wondered, yes, there are two layers. Look, one here, and still another one.
Yeah, they're double here, alright. Lots of fun today, baby, lots of fun today. Get in there. And David's got foam insulation in there. And you've got that. Well, look, this is all fiberglass, easy peasy to cut. And the sides should be aluminium, so should the roof actually.
Yeah, that's complete aluminium.
I want to keep these windows though, son. Here he goes, people! Up top and ready to rock. Yeah, it's going to look bad for a little while though, but we've got a lot of that tubing out now and all that wiring as well. Can't really touch any of that until we get the bulkhead off, but that's fine. But you know, just in the future, I'm either going to sell these or we'll keep these for our own conversion job. I'm going to keep these windows just in case. Because what will happen is I'll have this idea in my head, we'll do a van conversion or something like that. And I'll say, why didn't we just keep those windows? So this time I'm actually going to do the smart thing and keep them. But we are looking good. We are looking good. It's just so windy at the minute. You got a battering ram. And look at all the wiring and tubing. And this is what we're going to use for the boat. Look. And I got the water pump over here as well. Pump and filter. Yeah, I don't think that filter's been changed in a very, very long time. But we'll soak these in disinfectant. And all these tubes as well. They'll look just like new. But the thing about gas stuff is, when it's pretty old, sometimes it's actually quite dangerous to use it. So we'll check it out. But yeah, I mean, that shocker's just absolutely shocking. So is the other one. I think we'll probably have to get just some new shocks. They look fairly standard, just in case. And we'll get all this rust cleaned up and under sealed and stuff. What's this plastic? Yeah. What's that, darling?
What time is it?
Time to go home, son. Time to go home. I've had enough too.
I think we're getting...
So yeah, it's going to look a lot worse before it gets better, you guys. Generally, you know, you just cut it in sections. That's what I'm going to do. That was just for David to have a bit of fun. But we'll just take the reciprocating saw down. And of course, with these windows, because these move around on this rail, I'm going to have to take this rail with the windows. So there you go, you learn something new every day. He's back on the job, people. Check him out. He's got the, right, so I've got the task in here though. So we've basically started getting all this done, haven't we, son? We'll get the inside all pulled out. And obviously we've got the reciprocating saw. But I'll have to deal with all this rubbish first.
See this hole that I made?
Look at this hole David made, check it out.
There's this floor right here that I tried getting away with the axe.
You can't.
It seems to not.
No,
So...
that strip is very, very solid. They've got to be. Right, away you go. Nice. You getting it? Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
Hee hee hee.
It here, so...
Oh, so he's going to try. He's going to try rotating it, like just having a wee shot, guys. There he goes. He's doing a thing.
Oh, this thing's just a top.
Cool. So we're at the bulkhead of the caravan, and young man's found some screws to get a hold of, eh, son? So you can get this bulkhead out. It just seems to be screws all the way around. There's some rivets up on that heat plates. I might get it out.
Stud or something in the way.
This is no longer DIY Dad, it is DIY David. I'm out of the game. Yeah.
I'm going to show you how this wall is created up with my handle.
Yeah.
So it goes this wood,
yeah,
and then thick insulation, and there's a few studs,
yeah,
and then this aluminium stuff.
Very good, son. Well done, you. Just keep at it.
One screw.
You're managing.
I'm trying to become a ninja.
So here he goes. Now this is a bit the dirtier end of the caravan, really. But I think we're going to keep the bed on it for just now, aren't we, son?
Yeah.
We'll just cut the rest off. But as you can see, it's starting to get a bit damp and stuff. But
look at this yellow stuff up
guys,
there.
this caravan's 25 years old. Not
That's
bad.
classic.
Not bad. Not now it's not. He's been working well. He's been working well. Yeah, so that's the trailer filling up now. Bulky waste at the bottom, wood, and then household waste. So that's that done, which is absolutely fine. And now, as you can see, me and young Davs are cracking on the inside, and we've cleaned it all out as best we can for the moment. Now we're going to start cutting it all apart. Here we go, guys. Come, my boy, come see. Sunshine roof.
Oh.
Hey, sunshine roof now. Woohoo! I know. Oh, it's okay, son, I'll cut it. I think we'll do, just for easy's sake, is we'll cut out the, you know, the bit around the top, we'll just cut out. That should be okay, but boy oh boy, we have to go right through this now. It's more fiberglass this side and then aluminium. Right. Well guys, he's a convertible now. Oh my goodness me. And actually I have to say, I found it easier just taking off all this wood, for all the hassle, just to bash them off with a hammer. And as you can see, just a big piece of aluminium, or whatever you want to call it. So I think we'll get this aluminium roof off first actually, and I've got a feeling I'll kick myself if I don't keep it, so I'll have a think. It's coming back together, isn't it, my boy? We're looking good, so we've got that bit out now. We're just about
doors to choose from.
Yes, that's one panel light, and now we need this panel light, don't we, son?
The door panel.
I'm going to regret not keeping this door, son. I can feel it in my water. What we're hitting? Not going to be hitting anything. Oh, of course, that bit there. Nice and gentle, don't want to twist it. This stuff is very strong. I want to just make sure we take it off. Because the window runs on it, look. We've got to keep some of this.
Yeah.
We are trying to, aren't we, son? We're going to try and leave this piece on. That would be really good, I think. We'll cut it off and see what it looks like, eh, son? That is really coming down out there now, guys, let me tell you. Like, and we really need to be using power tools, don't we, son? Wow, oh wow. Yeah, I don't know if I mentioned but in this videos, but those old tyres there are from next door. And we saw it up at one of the horse trials. They actually built jumps with them for beginners. So if the horses crack their ankles off for the jump, they'll be okay. So I've got a heap of them for her as well. So we'll just hide up in here, won't we? So there you go, guys. The roof's almost there. We've just got to go along like that. But we're in a nice dry bit here, aren't we, sonny boy? Mm-hmm. What a pain. Yeah, so David's going to try. I think the whole front's going to collapse, is it? It's going. It's going. It's pretty much gone, isn't it, son? It's pretty much gone.
It's just this is in the way, kind of.
You look. I just need to cut this bottom part. It's almost off. Almost off. Oh yes. How's that, Davs? I was just saying to David, I really do think there's a solid floor in this thing. You know that? So you can see it around the edge, look. I wonder.
Take a look under it. I have looked.
Oh, it looks okay. It looks okay.
Under caravans, there's those thick.
Let's have a look. Yeah.
Things.
Gas
You
taps.
can just tell how strong that is.
Yeah. And we've got the fold down legs as well, which is awesome.
This caravan's dead.
He's almost dead, isn't he, son? He's almost dead. Yeah, I mean, that's really, really tough. I think what we'll do, though, son, is all that framing we'll just cut apart with a grinder, you know that?
I'm gonna throw the axe. How far can David throw?
Just watch me, Land Rover, son, watch him.
Pretty far.
Pretty far, son, it's not bad. Right, let's see the job David's done. Check it out, you guys, eh? We're getting there. We just started stuffing underneath just now with those panels. We'll put them all under the van just now. And we've obviously got all the wire underneath, the gas pipes, water pipes, waste pipes, stuff like that. But we need a grinder, son, to cut and cut and get all this cut to bits.
They're made out of like titanium.
Yeah.
I tried taking off one of them. You can't see it, but on one of them, there's like tons of axe and hammer dents.
That's right. Right, so the boys gonna head home and get some food. Let's get some food, and then we'll come back. Oh, so look, that's us back. Look, oh, nummy. Sausage casserole. Emily's having some tomato soup. There's Bailey dog. And you've got the pizza and son. Oh, you'll have to leave me some edge. Oh, You gonna leave me the edges? No.
Yeah.
You sure, or you don't want to
I
eat them?
just want to hold on to the edges so I can
Right.
not get my...
Away again!
Doesn't seem to be working.
Is there metal at the other side?
No.
You sure? Oh, getting more and more now. Oh, goodness me. It looks a lot worse than it is, eh, son? Well, darkness is a-coming and the rain has just started pelting down again. Deary me, but look at what we're up to now. That is not bad. Look, David's away up into the Land Rover. Hopefully it's just a passing shower. Hopefully. Look at that. Awesome. Yep, back in the car, you guys. It's just been totally rained off yet again, haven't we, son?
Yeah.
I'll tell you, once that roof is fully done in the stables, though, we can have a place to work quite easily.
Yeah.
It's rain or not. So I think what I'll do, guys, is I'm going to save the inside jobs for rainy days and try to use many of the outside stuff as I can, but we are really getting there now.
Every time it's raining, we're going to do indoor work.
Yeah. But yeah, it just rained off. But the trailer is extremely important because the horses obviously need food. And you know, having a trailer that can actually carry like 3 or 4 bales, that's a lot of money to buy one of them. So as it stands, I think we're sorted, aren't we?
It could feel like maybe 2 big hay bales and maybe 4 quite small ones.
Yeah. We'd also build a box on the front as well. You know, for tack and tools and stuff like that. So we'll figure it out.
That one will already have a tap.
Yeah, so listen, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notifications. That'd be awesome to support us. And please don't forget that David and Emily have their own channels.
Yeah.
All 3 of them. The Birnie Family Fun, Birnie Family Fun Shorty Shorts, and Birnie Family Fun Gaming. Yeah, baby. Thanks, guys.
Bye.